In the ever-evolving world of custom chips, Broadcom emerges as a leader. But is it the new Nvidia?
BofA raised the price market. The shares are at $217 today and in the custom chip space, and call it a leader among peers. So is Broadcom the new Nvidia? Let's ask the new analyst at BofA Securities and #1 chips analyst this year. Vivek, it is great to see you again. I'm ready to jump on the Broadcom bandwagon. Would you give me any pause in doing so?
No, I think what we learned from Broadcom's earnings reports are two important things. First, that the market is still in early stages, that there are a number of really large customers who could spend 3 to 4 times what they're spending this year. And number 2, to be successful in this market, you really need very leading-edge IP across computing and scale in the supply chain. And in our view, there are only 3 companies that could do that. It is Nvidia and Broadcom, and it is Marvell. And the way the clusters are being out, you have large hyperscalers who a lot of internal work, and then behind the hyperscalers you have enterprises and nation state. So Nvidia is going after the public workloads, the sovereign opportunity. But when it comes to internal workloads and the custom opportunities, Broadcom and Marvell are running with that. So the company is executing extremely well.
As we delve deeper into Broadcom's journey, it's essential to understand the strategic pivots that have propelled it to its current stature. Broadcom's evolution from a semiconductor manufacturer to a tech behemoth was not an overnight phenomenon. It involved a series of calculated acquisitions and a relentless focus on innovation. Gap 4.0's montage of Broadcom's past acquisitions and technological advancements. Broadcom's acquisition of CA Technologies and Symantec's enterprise security business marked significant milestones. These moves were not just about expanding their portfolio, but about integrating diverse tech capabilities to offer comprehensive solutions. This strategic shift allowed Broadcom to tap into new markets and serve a broader range of customers. Gap 5.0's Gap 5.0's visuals of Broadcom's diverse tech solutions in action. Moreover, Broadcom's commitment to R&D has been unwavering. Investing heavily in research and development has enabled the company to stay ahead of the curve, particularly in custom chip solutions. This focus on innovation has not only solidified its position in the market, but also attracted major clients looking for cutting-edge technology. Gap 5.0's close-up of Broadcom's latest chip technology. Now, as we look at Broadcom's future, it's clear that the company is not just riding the wave of the current tech boom, but is actively shaping the future of technology. With its robust strategy and innovative prowess, Broadcom is poised to continue its upward trajectory, making a formidable contender alongside industry giants like Nvidia. Gap 4.0's transition to next scene.
There was a lot of talk in the last couple of weeks, whether pre-training for large language models is stalling out and moving to inference going forward. Thanks to the likes of Meta's Llama and open source, if the compute required to build the cutting-edge models is much less than we thought a year ago. In the call last night, they talked about how 3 clients have still mega demand for these kind of AI clusters in the years to come. So could you kind of weigh on how AI sort of maturation cycle relates to what we should expect from Broadcom and Nvidia into next year?
Sure. I think, Kelly, there is a very strong innovation happening on both the training side and the infrared side. When it comes to training, it is not just the size of the model, it is pre-training and getting them trained across a larger amount of data. And when there isn't data available, to create synthetic data and improve the quality of the models. And it is not just one company doing it. You have companies poaching it from a closed model perspective and Meta and Mistral from an open model perspective. So the work on the training side, and then when it comes to inference, that is where the companies are optimizing it for a whole range of parameters. It could be cost and latency, and it could be space and power. So we're seeing innovation across both of these dimensions, and then as I mentioned, the range of customers is very different, and in a financial or healthcare industry is different than what a hyperscaler might.